How to say potato in Russian? Ready? Kartoshka. Kartoshka. This is a noun, and here is what it looks like in a dictionary. Let's pronounce the dictionary form again. Kartoshka. Now, let's look at the object form. You will use the object form in phrases like Я люблю, I love, Я хочу, I want, Я вижу, I see, and Мне пожалуйста, give me please. Some examples. Мне, пожалуйста, картошку free. I would like some French fries, please. Мне, пожалуйста, картошку free. Я люблю жареную картошку. I like fried potatoes. Я люблю жареную картошку. Что это? Это картошка. What is this? This is potato. Что это? Это картошка. After the word это, you will use the dictionary form. The differences between the dictionary form and other forms of Russian words, as well as other aspects of Russian grammar, are explained in detail by our tutors at aruspro.com.